So I posted about the Apollo Neuro the other day and the sleep benefits that I'm enjoying using the Apollo. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. You can send me an email or comment and I'll answer. But I've had some questions about how else I use it. So I want to share that with you today because I use it pretty much throughout the day. When I get up, I charge it and then I put it on different what's called vibes throughout the day. So if I'm doing work, I may put it on study. When I meditate in the evening, I put it on mindfulness or meditation. There are vibes for joy, calm, recover. What else? Mindfulness, creativity, confidence, focus, and they're always adding new vibes. There's one now that has just come out called Good Afternoon to help with that afternoon slump that we often feel midday. So there's different ways you can incorporate it throughout your day. Now, I find the more I use it, the more benefit I gain from it. So if you use it more throughout the day, I do believe that it then also helps you more in the night and you just become very comfortable using it for different purposes. So for instance, a couple of weeks ago, I had a tooth removed and I had two implants because about 7 years ago, maybe longer, I had another tooth removed and it was not a good procedure. I felt it didn't go well. I had dry socket. I was really nervous about this appointment. So I put it on calm throughout the entire appointment. And they were like, hey, you're doing really good. I'm like, I don't know how that happened. And then after, and I did my deep breathing and everything else, but it really helped settle me. And then afterwards, I put it on recover throughout the entire day. And I feel like that also aided in my recovery throughout that day. And the next day, I felt pretty good. I went out for a walk. I was actually doing really well. So I'm wearing it right now. And I just charge it a couple times a day, usually in the morning and around dinner hour, and I just keep using it. So this discount that's on, it's only on for about another week, and it is a bigger savings than you'll usually get with Apollo. And I'm not sure when they're going to offer a big discount like this again. So if you're at all curious, then link through and check it out. Just comment vibes, VIBES, and we'll send you the link and check it out. It does look like a big chunk of money up front, but listen, think about how much you spend ordering in pizza or dinner or going out to dinner. And this is an investment that will get back over time. I can truly attest to that, and so can my Fascia Flow members. So comment vibes if you want the link, and remember the sale ends really soon. Any questions? I'm happy to answer. Just comment or email. Okay, thanks for watching.